Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Monster Dirt Deluxe set with Soldier Fortune by Spin Master. Well, welcome back everyone. I just got back from Target today and I have found the new Deluxe Monster Dirt playset by Spin Master. This one includes Soldier Fortune. There is another version with Max D, which you guys will be seeing on my channel later on. I did get both today. These retail for $16.99 in the United States. Less than double the price of the starter sets, which I reviewed just a couple days ago with the Megalon, of course, and also the Blue Thunder. So you can see the starter set right there. This includes an 8-ounce container of dirt, and the deluxe sets actually include a 16-ounce canister of dirt, and you can see it also includes a couple more accessories than the smaller starter sets, and of course an exclusive truck which is only found inside this set. And you can see here's the back of the box here. You can see the prototype Soldier Fortune with the original design. They changed it up a little bit in the actual playset. You can see it also includes crush car molds, another dirt ramp mold, and a couple other different accessories to play with. And of course you can build it, jump it, crash it, smash it, and do it all over again. And of course you get the mold and the 16 ounces of dirt. So there it is, the 1/64 scale set, and we're going to open up and see what it's all about. So here's what you'll receive in the box. You get one little problems questions card. This is actually bigger than the old ones. I just wanted to mention that, even though it's not that important at all. They're a little bigger for the deluxe set than the standard 1/64 scale singles boxes and the smaller starter sets. So I guess that's a cool thing that they're a little bit bigger for the deluxe set, but this is just if you guys have a defect or something, you can always call these little numbers here. That's included inside the box. I just want to mention it. And the crush car molding, so you can see there's one crush car in the camo color. The Soldier Fortune badge, so you can see it's kind of like a banner for the side of the track, and that says Soldier Fortune. On the other side you have the Monster Jam logo. You get your truck, of course. This is the Soldier Fortune. This is a different design than the one we're going to see in the Double Down Showdown packs in the future. I'm not sure when we're going to see those, but we did see images from Amazon. It is a little bit of a lighter color, almost like this color on the paint job for that version. This one's a little more accurate to the actual truck with the nice metallic green, and of course the rims match the body, so that's exactly how it's supposed to be. This one's much more accurate than the Double Down Showdown pack one, unless they change it by then, but this one's definitely nice, and I'll show you guys this truck up close soon. And of course you get this nice little ramp mold as well, a little curved ramp, and you get this tool. So this is the other tool for this set. This is the, I guess, I don't know, maybe something to stamp designs into dirt with, and then you get like a little cutting knife, and then you can see the Monster Jam logos on both sides of that. And you also get a Monster Jam Stadium jumbo-tron, so you can see it actually looks like the UNLV sign at Las Vegas, in Las Vegas, so that's pretty cool. And you can see it's got a timer, the Soldier Fortune logo, the actual image of Soldier Fortune from World Finals, and the Monster Jam logo with a fiery background. So that's a pretty cool little blue jumbotron. And then of course you get your dirt. So this is 16 ounces of dirt. It's double the amount of the smaller sets, which here's one of them. This is the Blue Thunder set, so you can see the size difference is pretty big. And it is a bigger kind of ramp style, so there's a bigger start to the ramp, and of course up here you can put your truck. And then of course compared to Megalon's ramp as well, the starter set ramp, they're kind of, again, they're much smaller, but this one's an interesting ramp. This one's kind of a little more plain for this ramp, but I think it's still pretty cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. I want to see what this dirt looks like. So here we go. And of course it also has the Monster Jam logo on the back side, but here we go. Let's open up the little rubber bottom, little cap, and there's our dirt right there, so you can see it's full to the brim. And let's scoot this back a little bit. So here we go. There it is, the ramp, the Kinetic Sand Monster Dirt ramp is there. You can see it's got the tire treads from the design mold, and then of course the top parts up here. The ramp does kind of just end right here, but I think you're supposed to take parts of this ramp and put it into the other molds, so we'll do that as well in this video. But like I've done in previous videos, I have shown you guys the way the ramp actually works and how it's the Monster Dirt specially formulated to withstand a lot of force and pressure in playtime. It is the same for this ramp as well. It is very compacted down, so it will take a lot of playtime to actually start to wear down this ramp. And I did have the Mattel one there to compare the Soldier Fortunes because I have not done that yet because we haven't had a chance to. So there's the comparison between the Soldier Fortune versions. I will do a more in-depth review of these when we get the Double Down Showdown pack, because this is just a playset review, not a comparison review. So anyway, we're going to take a look at just the playset here today, and then again, like I said, I'll review the actual trucks and compare them in a separate video. So let's take a look at this little thing here. This is our little knife, I guess, or a separator piece. So we'll cut a little piece of the dirt off of the top of the ramp, and we'll use that for our playset. So let's cut this part off here. Not the easiest thing to do because it does connect very well back together, but I'm just going to kind of cut this piece off. And here we go, we got a little piece of dirt, and I'll put this into the crush car mold, and let's see what we get out of it. Here we go. So, oh yeah, actually that's pretty good. A little crush car, and you can put that there. And then let's see what else. I think this little bottom part's supposed to do something, maybe to put little blocks up on the track like they used to have in the stadiums to mark penalty lines. So let's see if that works. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. It makes a little penalty box. So if you guys have them on the track, you can put them out there, and if the truck hits them, it's a 5-second penalty. I think that's how it used to work, at least. I can't remember, it's been a long time. And let's try this mold out. So this is the bigger mold that it comes with as well. So I'm gonna take this off my little paper here and try to take this apart. It's pretty strong stuff. You can see holds together really well. So there's that, and I think that should be enough. Let me just ball it up here, and then we'll put it in the mold. So let's see. Okay, so here it is. This is the other mold that comes with this set. So let's see what it looks like outside of the actual molding. That's actually pretty good. That's a pretty cool little ramp here. So you can do a jump, or I guess if I had more room I'd do one, but you can see it does do a little jump. So I don't want to hurt the truck because I do collect these things after the playsets, but you can see it, watch, it does a pretty cool jump here. So that's a pretty cool little ramp for those who actually will do lots of things with them. But this one does hold up well as well. So you can see if I were to smash it onto the ramp, it does take a little bit of force to actually start to break down the ramp. So pretty cool ramp. This is a really nice one. It does come apart again really easily, really good cleanup time. You just pick it up with the dirt. It'll kind of just mix back together and just pick it up like that. So put it back into a ball, and you should be able to put it back into your whatever molding you guys want to choose. So that's pretty cool. So I'll set that little bit of dirt right there just for a second so I can show you guys the Megatron. So here it is, the Megatron. Pretty cool. And then, of course, the little Soldier Fortune nameplate or banner. So a super cool set. I'd give this one a 10 out of 10. A deluxe set for $16.99. That's, again, less than double the price of the starter sets. So the starter set that costs $9.99, that should be $20 if it's double. So that's actually less. So pretty good quality. It's great quality stuff, and I think this is great for any age pretty much. This is a really good set, and I will be reviewing the Max D set soon, and hopefully we will see some more starter sets or even more deluxe sets from Spin Master. I can't wait to see how creative they will get with these because there's infinite possibilities, and I love this stuff. So stay tuned for my Max D review of the Deluxe Max D set. That will be coming next. But since that is all we have for today, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this set below, if you guys will be buying it or not, and I'll get back to you in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan, Monster Jam OCD, signing out.